Hello everyone, I'm so glad you joined me today on my channel. Today we're going to be talking all about backup offers. Backup offers are a really popular thing right now because there's so many pending listings and then there's a shortage of listings. So buyers, have you been watching the market, and when a new home pops up that you kind of like, guess what? There's 10 other people that like it too, and bam, it's gone, it's pending. So I've had a lot of people call me and say, what does pending mean? Several buyers don't know the real estate terms, maybe because they're new buyers. So anyway, pending, of course, means that there's a contract between the buyer and seller. It's already gone to escrow, it's gone to the lender, it's already in the process. But did you know that there's a lot of deals that don't work out? There's a lot of buyers that back out because of inspections. Maybe the house doesn't appraise. Just various things can come along. Maybe the buyer's house isn't selling in Nebraska or wherever they're from, and they can't follow through with the contract if they have a contingent offer. That's another thing, contingency. If you want to know more about contingency, look at my video I made a few weeks ago. Anyhow, back to backup offers. So how are you going to make a backup offer? That's what I'm going to go over with you next. There's a couple of ways. You can call the listing agent directly and try to get some information from them. You can simply ask them, is your seller willing to take backup offers at this time? How strong is the contract? When is the closing date? Things like that. But of course you want to know first off if they're willing to accept backup offers. And the seller can take as many backup offers as they want to. So you might be first in line, third in line, fifth in line, depending on how popular the house is. But it's always good to also consider using a buyer's agent, because that's going to take a lot of work off of you, especially when the market is moving so fast. You can give that agent a whole list of pending listings and tell them, can you call and check these out and see if they're taking backup offers. So that's going to take a lot of work off of you, and you know that agent is probably going to know how to talk to the seller's agent and really get some more information to see if it's really worth your time. A lot of our deals don't work out sometimes, and that's what you got to keep in mind when you're looking at these pending listings. And it's a good idea to consider a backup offer if it's a house that you really, really like. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Remember to like and subscribe, tap that bell, and you'll get notified every time I make a new video. And I really appreciate you watching. Take care. Bye-bye.